na human napildi man ng Spaniards o American time na, so mao na ni nahitabo. Then we have the suffrage movement. So this is actually very important kind of movement, even though this was not the first ever women kanang empowerment movement, pero dako kani siya epekto sa ato ang present nga history karon, because this was the movement nga ang mga babay, they come as one, and it was well represented around the world, and it was well organized nga ang mga babay ato, they fought, they wanted to have the right to vote and to have the right to own property. So para din sila manginahanglan sa perma, sa approval sa ilahang bana or sa ilahang amahan to acquire property. Okay, and then we have the 1937 plebiscite. So this one is actually very important sa ato sa Pilipinas, because without this, the Filipina women could not vote, because even though this suffrage movement was like a world movement around the world, pero it was only kanang acknowledged sa US. So sa US, kung naka sa US nagpuyo, kung American ka, you got the right away. Pagkadaog ani nga movement katong naaprubahan ni siya sa US, right away kung naa ka sa US mainland nagpuyo, o kung puti ka, Amerikana ka, you had the right to vote na and to own properties. Pero sa Pilipinas, because Philippines back during that time was only like a territory, American territory, ang mga Filipina sa Pilipinas, kailangan pa jud mo fight sa to ang right in the Philippines para maka-vote for us to have the same rights katang under sa suffrage movement. So ang nahitabo sa Pilipinas, they create this ultimatum, plebiscite ultimatum in 1937. And the good thing is, it was actually very stressful, very challenging nga ultimatum nga ilang gihatag sa suffrage movement sa Pilipinas, nga I think it was, kung ako na sayo, 2 years, gihatag nila nga 2 years nga kailangan silang mukuha of 300,000, kung ako na sayo, 300,000 ka votes sa mga babay nga para maaprubahan ang kaninga ultimatum para mudaog siya. And luckily, we passed that. I think we had over 400,000 votes from women